The CPU is the most important component of each PC. The function on the heatsink is to keep cool the CPU. The RAM chip is an essential part in the computer because it's in charge of running the programs. Moreover, it's a volatile memory. The motherboard is like the framework of our PC because it's the responsible of connecting all the components. Thanks to network card, we can be connected to internet. Also, is the element where the MAC address belongs. As opposed to the RAM memory, the hard disk is a memory when you can save information without losing it. The DVD drive allows us use all type of CD. The power supply gives the power to the components. Without it, the computer cannot be started. The computer chassis contains and protects all the elements that make a computer.
First of all, we need to assemble the motherboard. The main part of the motor is the processor, and here you can see how it is inserted. The next part is to connect both memory RAMs to the motherboard. As you can see, each memory RAM has its own bracket, and once you finish connecting both of them, you need to secure that they don't move it. When these two components are connected to the motherboard, you need to introduce it to the case and secure that all is correct. Then, we need to place the heatsink into the motherboard and also connect to it. Furthermore, all the parts of the computer must be connected to the motherboard. As you can see, here we are connecting the power supply, and it was a little bit difficult because the wires were so small. Also, we need to connect the network card to the motherboard if we want to have internet in a computer, as you can see here. Next, we need to introduce the hard disk into its location and also connecting to the motherboard as the rest of the part of the computer. Finally, we need to insert the DVD drive into the computer and as the rest of the components, we need to connect it to the motherboard. And the final step is just to cover the case of the computer.
We need to use many peripherals for making anything in our computers. For example, monitor, keyboard, mouse, headset. They make easier using a computer.
First, I'm going to talk about Windows. This operating system is one of the most used streaming systems in the technology field. Windows is a private operating system owned by Microsoft. To continue with, I'm going to talk about Linux. Linux is an operating system completely free and costless contrary to Windows and MacOS. As it is a free software, everyone can modify freely the source code. Last but not least, I'm going to talk about MacOS. MacOS is the operating system used by Apple. A great quality of MacOS is that it's compatible with any device like printers, TVs, digital cameras or smartphones. So that's all. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching it and see you next time.